All right, what is up, Pyros? Got a little something different for you today. Doing a little bit of rack building. Today I'm building a 18 shot rack. I'm gonna make it a angled, be 6 shots in each row. I'll just walk you through basically what I cut everything to. These are the side pieces. It's 1x4s, and they are 17 3/8 long. And then these are the bottom pieces here. They're 14 3/8 wide, and that's just wide enough to fit the 6 tubes. And then for your top pieces on the sides, or the front and back, if you want, whatever you want to call it, that's these are 1x3s, and they're 12 inches long. So 1x3s for the sides and the bottom, and these will be the side pieces. They'll hold up like that. All right, I still gotta pre-drill all the holes. I'm gonna pre-drill all that stuff. I'm gonna put these 3 racks together. I think altogether this was, let's see, there's 4 pieces each. So there's 12 of those side panels. You got 3 of the base, and then you got 6 of the uprights. And then once I get it all put together, I'll show you the size pieces I put on for the feet and for the top brace holding the angle. Be right back. All right, so I got the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good. I ended up doing 15.5-inch piece here for the top rail, and then screwed that twice. And then this is a 16-inch 2x3 for the bottom support. I just did 3-inch screws for all the 2-inch to 2-inch stuff, and then I did 1.5-inch screws for all the 1x6s to the 2x3s. These are the screws I used. I started drilling and screwing, but it ended up just being easier just to go ahead and screw in. But that's the finished thing. For this gap here, it's a 2-inch gap. But as you can see, it all looks pretty good here. There's the annoying neighbors, love them. And yeah, I'll do another video later showing it off. Peace out.